Namaste friends, my name is and I would like to explain about my country and where to be visited. Many of my friends they were asking if I can explain about the tourism area of Nepal. So today I am going to make the small clip, the video about Nepal, and those areas are the most important places you can visit in any time. Before we start this video, I would like to request you all, if you are new in my YouTube channel Knowledge Sharing 100, please subscribe my channel and also you press the bell button below so that whenever I post the videos will come to you immediately and you can learn from those videos. Let's start. Ten places to visit Nepal. Nepal is a very beautiful country in the world, which is also known as the roof of the world. Nepal is a lovely Himalayan country which attracts a lot of tourists visiting here. People visiting Nepal travel here for many reasons, like some people come to the attraction of tallest mountains, while many people come to Nepal for climbing or trekking in the Himalayas. There are also many people who come to see the culture of Nepal and the special tourist places here. Along with the beautiful mountain peaks, Nepal is also a major religion center of followers of Buddhism and Hinduism. The most important thing about Nepal is that the crime rate almost zero, due to which it becomes a very safe tourist country. History of Nepal. Nepal is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Was originally ruled by the Shah dynasty. He expanded the geographical areas of his empire up to Sikkim, India, and beyond the Sutjal River. British period. In 1814, the British declared a war and in 1816 conquered Nepal. The British did this because they wanted a barter state between India and China. Places to visit in Nepal. Kathmandu is the cultural capital of Nepal and a very attractive city here. This city is one of the places in Nepal that thrills the tourists visiting here. Kathmandu is a city that is home to more than 1.5 million people. The city is situated at an altitude of 1400 meters, which gives a delightful atmosphere to the travelers who come here throughout the year. Kathmandu is a peaceful place with its monasteries, temples, and spirituality. The city, with its natural beauty, makes travelers feel different from other tourist destinations. Pokhara is another major tourist destination of Nepal. Pokhara is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Nepal. Pokhara is a metropolitan city of Nepal, spread in the foothills of the Himalayas, which is also known as the tourist capital of Nepal. Every year, people of all kinds come to large numbers to visit this particular tourist destination. Let me tell you that Pokhara is the second largest city in Nepal after Kathmandu, which is situated at an altitude of more than 1400 meters. This entrance of the Himalayas keeps the tourist coming here aware of its beautiful views and exciting games. The city of Pokhara is divided by the Gandaki River and its many tributaries which contribute to its unique geography. Annapurna Range, which is the highest mountain range with the four high peaks, is situated above it. Places to visit in Nagarkot, Nepal. If you want to see the beauty of the Himalayas mountains after visiting Nepal, then Nagarkot is the best place for you. Nagarkot is one of the most visited places of Nepal. This small and attractive place grew in the lap of the peaks of the minaret. It is located in Bhaktapur districts of Nepal. From Nagarkot, you can see 8 of the 13 Himalayas ranges of the Himalayas. From this place, you can clearly see Annapurna, Mansulu, Numar, Ganesh Himal, Jugal, Everest, Langtang, and Rula Valing ranges. Nagarkot is located at a distance of just 25 km from Kathmandu, which amazes the tourist by showing beautiful views of the Himalayas mountains. Situated at an altitude of 2000 meters, Nagarkot is a paradise for nature lovers. The most special things about this place is that it is very close to the capital, due to which tourists do not have to spend much money and time to come here. Special place of Janakpur, Nepal. Janakpur is a special city in Nepal and one of the special places to be seen here. Explain that the city of Janakpur is located close to the border of India, which is considered to be the birthplace of Sita and the place of her marriage to Lord Ram. Janakpur is a very special place for tourists visiting Nepal, as the city has many ponds which attract travelers. Janakpur is located in the Tarai region of Nepal, which is a favorite place of pilgrims with tourists. The city makes everyone very excited by its pleasant weather, grand festivities, attractive architecture of temples. Lumbini tourist. Lumbini, a beautiful place in the lap of the Himalayan mountains. It is birthplace of Gautam Buddha. This place is located in the Kapilvastu district of Pal, close to the border of India, which is very quiet and a major pilgrimage center of Buddhism. Lumbini is a UNESCO World Heritage Site whose stupas and monasteries makes it extremely special. This place is also known for the memorial pillars of Emperor Ashoka. People traveling to Nepal also come to study the Lumbini scriptures, learn about religion, and refresh their hearts and minds. Lumbini also has a temple named after Maya Devi, mother of Gautam Buddha, which is called Maya Devi Temple. This temple also has a statue of Maya Devi. Pasupatina Temple is a major tourist spot in Nepal. Pasupathi Temple is one of the most sacred Hindu temples in Nepal, located 3 km east of the city of Kathmandu, one of the banks of the beautiful and sacred Bagmati River. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is visited by thousands of devotees every year. The Pasupatina Temple is spread over large areas with the ashrams that makes tourists and pilgrims visiting here experience different places. In 1979, Pasupatina Temple was included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is said about this temple that the head of the Jyotirlinga body installed in this temple is made up of 12 Jyotirlingas. There was a severe earthquake in Nepal in 2015, due to which some of the outer buildings of this temple were demolished, but the Garbhagriha of this temple is still safe. Chitwan National Park. If you are a wildlife lover, then you should also include Chitwan National Park in your Nepal trip. Explain that this national park is one of the best wildlife sightings in Asia. In this park, you can see the Bengal tiger, one-horned rhinos, and many such endangered species. The biggest attraction here is seeing elephants, leopards, rhinos, sloths, bears, and with many exotic animals. Tourists visiting here can also enjoy jungle trek, elephant ride, and a canoe ride with jeep safari. You can see here some photos. I include alligator, elephant, and many more animals. Main site of Bhaktapur, Nepal. Located in the Kathmandu Valley, Bhaktapur is one of the most special places to visit in Nepal. This place is home to most temples and pilgrimage centers, which are the main attraction here. Bhaktapur is also called the city of devotees, which is a part of the damage done during the 2015 earthquake. This city is less crowded than Kathmandu, where you can also enjoy walking on the winding roads. Darbar Square, or 55 window plated, a 15th century structure in the city, is an attraction here. Chagunaran Temple. This temple is called the oldest temple in Nepal. This temple is said to have been constructed in the 14th century and 1702 AD. In this temple, construction was done again. Chagunaran Temple, the ancient temple, is one of the major scenic spots in Nepal, in which the statue of Shahnag with Lord Vishnu can be seen. Swambhu Nath Temple. Swambhunath Bhaunath Temple is located about 3 kilometers west of Kathmandu on a hilltop, which is the second most important temple in the Kathmandu Valley. The Swambhu Stupa, painted with the eyes of the Lord, is the main attraction of the temple complex. This temple is also known as the Monkey Temple because of the habitat of the monkeys in some part of the temple. If you are going to visit Nepal, then you must visit this temple. What is the best time to visit Nepal? If you are going to travel to Nepal and want to know what is the best time to visit Nepal, then tell you that the most favorable time to visit here in the winter season. Even though Nepal experiences low temperatures and snowfall in this season, it is still perfect to travel to Nepal. Let you know that the winter season is from December to March in Nepal, and it rains here from July to November. You will not be able to enjoy the beauty of most of the places in Nepal during the rainy season. Nepal has a summer season from April to June. Accommodation in Nepal. If you are looking for a place to stay in Nepal, there are many hotels which easily available for accommodation in many cities and towns of Nepal. But hotels with a rating less than 3 stars may not seem right to stop you. You will get the most special experiences of staying in Nepal by staying in Buddhist monasteries. Food of Nepal. If you want to know about the food available in Nepal, then I will tell you that the national food here is dal bhat tarkari, sekwa, momo, dhido, sisnu, thukpa, sukuti, roti, sel roti, chow chow, etc. This is the Nepal map you can find in Google. And whenever you are going to visit Nepal, please, so that you will not be confused where to go, and location findings will be very easy for you. Thank you for watching. You have seen those 10 places, the most important places to visit in Nepal. Whenever you visit, please visit those 10 places which I have mentioned in these videos. And I hope you enjoyed in these videos whatever I have explained. And it is a short video just to tell you that which are the places you need to visit. And I will continue with the part 2 next video, and I will try to cover most of the places of Nepal. Thank you for watching.